Hey guys, and welcome back to another Peachybbies video. 2 videos in 1 week. I'm impressed. Are you guys impressed with me? The other video is linked down below if you guys want to check that out after you're done with this one. But what's up, and welcome back to another Peachybbies restocking video. I am so excited for this week because I might have gone a little bit overboard and I made a lot of new stuff and I'm so excited to share them with you. But first, really quick, if you guys like the video, if you're excited for the video, or if you really like restocking videos, help me out, like the video, let me know that you like it so that I can make more. Also, if you're new to this channel, you should definitely subscribe and turn on notifications because I'll be hanging out in the comments for the next hour. So if you guys want to talk to me, be part of the notification fam, then definitely go down below, click that bell, and let me know that you did that. So now that I have got the promo out of the way, you guys should still definitely go do that. Also check out my social medias and my videos linked down below. You know the drill. But after I've gotten that out of the way, let's get on with the video. So starting off, we have strawberry shortcake bars. So you guys know those ice cream bars, the ones that are like pink and white and they have the crust on the outside. That's exactly what this smells like, and it's a really thick, amazing slime. Definitely one of my favorite pink slimes for February. Next, we have one that I actually posted on the Peachybbies Instagram. And you guys really loved this one. It is Blue Hawaiian Punch. So this one needs to clear up a little bit. A lot of the clear slimes did not clear just because it's so cold here right now. This one is an almost completely clear Blue Hawaiian Punch scented slime, and it has cute little fruit slices in it because, you know, fruit punch, fruit slices, I had to do it. And this one is an amazing one if you're super excited like me for summer and you can't wait to start getting all of those summer scents in. Definitely go with Blue Hawaiian Punch. Next, we have an old favorite that I decided to bring back because it just seemed really fitting. We have Love Potion. So Love Potion is one of my first cloud creams that I made and put in the store. This one is strawberry cheesecake scented, and let me just say it smells amazing. If you love cheesecake or strawberries, this is definitely one to go for. This one's a super soft and spreadable cloud cream texture with white and red foam beads in it. I think next week I'm going to restock Cherry Garcia, so let me know down below what slimes do you most want to see in the shop next week. I want to do a lot of you guys' requests, a lot of you guys' favorites, so let me know. And then we have another new slime. So I did a lot, and I mean like a lot of pink inspired slimes this week. This one is actually related to Candy Hearts. This one is called Pink Hearts. So Pink Hearts is scented like 3 different things. The red layer is cherry, so it's like a sour cherry scent. The white layer is vanilla custard, and then the light pink layer is vanilla wafers. All together, it smells like a really amazing vanilla cherry buttercream scent. It's really good. I love it a lot. And then when you mix it all together, you get a really pretty kind of peachy pink color. This one's also a cloud cream texture, so again, super soft, super classic cloud cream, really spreadable, and really good for holding. Moving on, we have another new slime. This one is called Pink Quartz. I have these Pink Quartz coasters in my house that kind of inspired this. I might put a picture of them on Instagram, but they look exactly like this. So the base of this is a clear pink jelly slime with a few little iridescent glitters. Then on the top, to get that kind of avalanche effect, we have a white base. And this one is scented like white wedding cake, so it smells really sweet and exactly like you'd imagine pink quartz would smell like, you know what I mean? So when you mix them all together, you get a really pretty, partially opaque, kind of pastel pink jelly slime. So it's definitely a jelly slime texture, and if you're looking for that, this is definitely one to go for. This one does turn opaque after you mix it though, but I really love this one. I love the marbling, and the way you get it when it comes in the jar definitely looks really similar to a classic avalanche. Next, we have yet again another old favorite. We have the Unicorn Hot Chocolate Trio. So if you guys missed this or you missed my video, you get a little packet that you can mix in with a charm, customized glitter, and then customized foam bead mixes. You have 3 different scents of Unicorn Hot Chocolate. The yellow one is my all-time fave. This one is a white chocolate coconut scent, and you guys, it smells exactly like those white coconut truffles you can get. Do you know the ones at the checkout center? I think they're Lindt. The most amazing things ever. It smells exactly like that, and it is so good. So next, I wanted to let you guys know we have some Peachy Baby pins. We've been testing these for a while, and we finally decided to put them in the shop. This week, we're actually giving them away to the first 20 people who buy from the shop. So if you want one, if you want to get one before anybody else, definitely be quick. And then we have another classic. We have candy hearts. So this one is, again, 3 different scents. You guys know the drill with the scents. If you don't know the drill, definitely go check out the other 3 videos that I've talked about this one. But I wanted to include this mixing because it looked like cotton candy, and I just really loved the way that it looked. The only difference between this one and Pink Hearts, other than the color, is this one is a lot fruitier smelling, whereas Pink Hearts is a lot more of a soft, more relaxed kind of vanilla scent. And then a comparison so you guys can get an idea of which layer you might want. Next, we have the secret slime of the week. And if you guys are following me on the Peachybbies Instagram, I actually revealed what it is in the slime game that we have. I think I have it pinned, so you guys can go check that out later if you want to figure out what slime this is. But if you like coffee, if you like caramel, and if you like jelly slimes, you will like this week's secret slime. So I've had these cute little jellyfish squishies for a while. I have them in pink and blue right now, and I love them so much. They're so cute and tiny. Plus you can stick them on things. It's kind of the greatest thing ever. They suction on. So I decided that I'm including them with the first 30 orders that order this jelly slime. And this one is also new. And let me just say, I have to explain, okay, this looks super orange. I'm not sure why. I think it is the light I'm using. I have a picture of it on Instagram, and it looks a lot more true to color. So this one is called Pink Meanie, and if you guys don't know what that is, you should definitely look it up. It's really interesting. It's a new kind of jellyfish that isn't really a jellyfish, but basically they're eating other jellyfish. It's kind of a gruesome story, but they look really cool, and they first found them in Florida, so I had to dedicate a slime to it. So this one is a true jelly slime. It's really soft. It's got the iridescent glitters in it. And here's a picture of the Pink Meanie jellyfish, and a little bit closer to what they actually look like lighting. So I wanted to compare the colors to show you guys that it was not the neon orange that the camera was showing it off to be. So this one is unscented, but if you want a true jelly slime, or if you just want a Pink Meanie, definitely go for this jelly. And then for some of you guys asking or don't really understand what jelly slimes are, this is the difference when you play with it on the left versus when it freshly comes out of the container on the right. And then there is a little bit of a wet residue on top just because of the ingredients you put in it, but if you just mix it around a little bit, it is good as new. So I just want to let you guys know, for anybody who was confused, or if this isn't a texture you like, maybe this one isn't for you. I just wanted to let you know. So moving on, we have a metallic slime. This one is called Candy Venom. This one's also unscented because it is a true clear slime. And this one's a really bright candy apple pink, and it has a really pretty pink to gold shifting metallic in it. This is the only full metallic we have in stock this week, so if you're looking for something like that, or you just really love the metallics like I do, then definitely get your hands on a Candy Venom. Next, we have something that's really exciting that we have never had in our shop before, but I posted a picture of these squishies on Instagram a while ago, and you guys were obsessed with them, so I decided to bring some to the shop, and these are the Peachybbies Peach Squishies. So these are really big. You can see I kind of did like a hand size comparison, and they are super slow rising, so they're really great for relaxing, or if you're just really fidgety and you need something to hold. I know I really love these, and they're really cool because they have a 3-toned kind of pink color on them. Do you see what I mean? So they go from darkest pink at the bottom to like a really light pink on the top, and I just think they're the cutest thing ever, so I wanted to sell some of them for you guys. And then we have Daffodil Gloss again, because it's coming into spring, you guys. We need more spring slimes in our lives, so I decided to bring this little floral one back. This time we have added a few pastel sprinkles in the bottom as well as that glitter. I was trying to show you guys right there. I don't know, I felt it. I was feeling the sprinkles this week. Moving on, we have, how many times have I said moving on in this video? I'm not quite sure. I'm sorry. So next we have another OG favorite. This one is Peach Ring Gummy. So it's scented like sweet peach candy and it's got a semi-opaque peach base. So I'm trying to show it off to you guys right now. It's not completely white, but it's also not completely clear either. It's really nice. It's super soft and they are really, really stretchy. And then we have those cute little orange beads on the top. And finally, we have Pink Flamingo. So Pink Flamingo was a secret slime a while ago, and I was so in love with it that I decided to bring it back for you guys. This one is a true cloud cream, and it has pink and white foam beads spread throughout it for a little bit of texture. The thing that I really, really love about this one, other than the color, because, you know, the flamingo pink, it gets me. It's so pretty. Is the cherry rock candy scent. So it's really sweet but kind of sour at the same time. And if you love cherries, you will definitely love, love, love the smell of this one. And then just real quick, I wanted to show you guys, we've actually changed our cards. We've updated those a little bit and I really, really, really like them and I wanted to show them to you. So each package comes with glitter in the bottom of it and that's kind of like an extra because I wanted something that you guys would be able to use. And then each order gets a borax packet and a new card. So I really hope you liked the video. Until next time, I love you guys so much and I will see you in the next video. Bye!